In today's episode, I hijack Ben as soon as he walks in the house. A strange white Tesla is seen leaving my drive. And Elon invites us over for a cup of tea. We have some breaking news here at Drive Time Escapes. We've hit 1,000 subscribers. Wait till the end of the video to find out how we're giving back to you guys for thanking you for being a subscriber to this channel. Dude.
What?
Never gonna guess.
What?
Tesla's been recalled.
Why? Is it dead already? Is it going to set on fire?
It's not dead.
Did I kill it that much the other day when I was driving it across the country?
Possibly.
Right.
No. It's not going to catch fire. It's not a battery.
Right.
It's not going to blow up. There's a wire in the back that might break. Right. So we're going to have to take it to Birmingham to be serviced. Do you want to do it?
No, it's just blow up.
Okay, there we have it. Tesla's been recalled. Back to Tesla it goes. Nothing too serious though. Okay, so like I said to Ben, it's not a battery. Something super simple. Apparently there's some coax cable in the boot somewhere that can sometimes break, and it's easier for them to change them now than it is for it to break, and it becomes more of an issue basically. So it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. The car doesn't need to go to Tesla. They come to us. Bit of a shock. So someone's going to come out with the parts we need, fit it to the car, and yeah, that's it. Yeah, also because it's a recall, it's free, so no cost involved, no stress. They come in to my house, nothing to worry about. Pretty good system. And the booking system, you do it through the app. Pretty easy little thing to do. So pretty shocked so far, and slightly impressed. So as long as they turn up on time and everything, should be pretty good. Pretty easy day. Okay, let's have a look. So the issue is something to do with this little camera just here. Yeah, so there's a wire inside the boot somewhere. Yeah, there's an issue with this wire that's inside here. Okay, so they're going to come out and fit a new one, make sure it's okay, and replace it. So job's a good one. Just ride all the way to the rainbow's end. Just ride, and we'll never turn our backs again. Okay, just finished work. Thought I'd pop down here and show you exactly what has been done to the Tesla. Okay, for its recall. So let's have a little look here. So this was the problem. This grommet. So this is new. This little clip, yeah, to help stop it from stretching. And this bit here is new as well. This plastic here comes down and goes to here. Yeah. So this is what the recall was for. Yeah, that simple bit of plastic caused all that trouble. Yeah. Well, I say trouble. It wasn't much trouble. Okay. So Joseph from Tesla at Solihull came down, sorted it all out, turned up in a very nice looking Model S. Yeah, had a little look around that, and while I was looking around it, he said, "Have you been and seen the new Model 3 yet?" Obviously, I haven't seen it. So thought I'd see if I can get a test drive in one. Yeah, so booked in for the weekend, going over to Tesla Solihull, and going to get to drive a new Tesla Model 3. Yeah, fortunately not any performances as far as I'm aware, but yeah, going to let me go out in a new Tesla. Apparently some things have changed. It's a lot smoother, a lot quieter, a lot more comfortable to drive, and I mean, this isn't exactly hard to drive or just uncomfortable, so it should be interesting to see what happens. So stay tuned and we'll pop over there and drive a new Tesla. Okay, so everybody, we had our car, had the Tesla get called back for a recall for something that was wrong with something in the boot lid, which you've already seen. The guy that came out was really, really nice guy, Joseph, and he was like, have you been over and test drove the new Model 3 yet? Answer was no, haven't had a chance to yet, but he said, oh, you should go over and have a look because it's completely different to how it used to be. Loads of different things, loads of different features, and it's basically a different car, is what he was saying. I can't remember which way I came into here. That's this way. So there's a few changes. For example, the indicators are now on the steering wheel. No stalks, which is probably going to take a little bit of getting used to. And yeah, no stalk for the cruise control either, and the everything else. So it's all on the actual steering wheel, which is much better as well in some cases. We've got the window wipers on the steering wheel as well. So I popped over because they said they had the new ones to test drive, and wasn't expecting this, but when I came over, he said, oh, what are you driving currently? I said, oh, got the current performance. And he goes, oh, do you want to drive the performance then? I was like, hell yes, I want to drive the performance. So this is the new Model 3 Performance. That indicator thing is not good. So used to doing it. And obviously in England we signal as we go round roundabouts, don't we? So this being on the stalk is a bit deceiving. So what I'm going to do, where the new service centre is in Solihull, I used to deliver seats around here for Jaguar Land Rover, so I know some of the back roads, I know my way around a little bit, so I'm going to bop around some of these back roads and have a little film and see how we get on. With this being the performance, I would have thought it's already going to be in performance mode. Maybe I'm wrong. Dynamics. Insane. Yeah, that'll work. So apparently there's some slight differences. Some aerodynamics has been changed to the car to give it a bit more distance with the range. The new performance spoiler is slightly different. It's got a slight little lip on the edge to give you a little bit more aerodynamics in the vehicle. Should we give it a bit of beans? Oh. Still quick. Still a shock every time you do that. But we know electric cars are fast, don't we? We already knew that. Yeah, but this is supposed to be more comfortable as well. So it's got slightly different seats. It's got the new style bucket seats, which are pretty comfortable actually. This car was used at school yesterday as part of a demonstration, so it's got fingerprints all over it. It's a bit mucky, but the sales guy did give it a bit of a spruce over before he let me drive it out. But normally they wouldn't let people take them out in this condition. He said because I've currently got the performance and I had one spare, he wanted me to sample the performance over the other one. Over the standard or the long range. Slightly updated steering wheel, same sort of size, still feels the same. Yeah, so far, so good. Some of the other updates they've had is they've now got extra thick windows, so it deadens the noise. They've also got some extra safety features in the door, so if there was an accident involving the door, it does actually protect the door a little bit more to stop it from caving in. So it's like an extra latch basically in the middle of the door which closes when the door closes. I've just spotted as well, there's a nice little light that pops up here now, just on the inside here of the door pillar, when there's actually vehicles on the inside, which I hadn't spotted before. We've got lots more ambient lighting inside here as well, and a nice suede feel to this panel. So yeah, inside feels much nicer. The seats as well, very snug. Obviously I'm fairly big and portly, but yeah, I still feel comfortable in here, and it's not taking me long to kind of acclimatise to the different features and the different setup in here. Nice carbon fibre dash to replace the wood, although I'm not upset by the wood that's in mine currently. I think it's quite nice, but the carbon fibre in the Sport is much nicer. I noticed they changed this centre console here as well. This was renowned for getting scratched on mine. It's kind of like a black pearlesque sort of thing, and it kind of gets scratched all the time. So it's nice to see that they've changed it, updated it, given it a bit of a different setup. In the rear as well, there's new screens in the rear for passengers to control their own air conditioning and things like that. So as it comes from the actual software, not much has changed really. We're still looking very similar to what we're expecting in the current performance. So there does seem to be relatively less noise in here as well, quite noticeably as well. I mean, mine's not noisy, but it's definitely a lot quieter in here. You can't really hear much road noise. Normally you can hear vehicles overtaking you in mine. You can't hear that at all. So it is a much quieter cabin to be in, which would be nice for long journeys as well. We're talking about long journeys, range-wise. Apparently now this has got a range of around about 340 miles apparently on a full charge. Obviously it does depend on how you drive it. Spirited driving, you're going to get through that a bit quicker, but still 340 is a pretty good range on the new performance. I'm going to pull over here in a second, just have a little look around the car from the outside, and then we're going to start heading back towards the service centre. Unfortunately, I only got this car for about half an hour. I did try and pull some strings with Tesla to see if I can get performance for a weekend, which would obviously give me a much better time to live with it a little bit, but they haven't responded to my email yet, and I didn't have anything to do today, so I thought, while I'm about, I'll get a test drive booked. While we're talking about that, if you want to book your own test drive, there's a link in the video description. Click on that, you'll be able to book your own test drive and have a go yourself. And I really do recommend it. I know a lot of people say electric cars are naff and they're no good, but personally I think they do have a market out there. Okay, that's cool as well. So as soon as we take the T-bar off, automatically goes into park, which is a feature that's not on the current one. So yeah, let's just jump out, have a quick look around and see what we can see, shall we? Okay, everybody, there we have it. That's the new Tesla Model 3 Performance. No plan to buy one just yet. At the moment, still sticking with this one. We will going to do another video soon about Teslas and probably my regrets about buying it. But that's another video. Stay tuned. Remember, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Ciao. We've just hit 1,000 subscribers and we want to celebrate this milestone with you with an epic giveaway. As huge F1 fans here on Drive Time Escapes, we're giving you the chance to win this incredible signed piece of Sebastian Vettel's Aston Martin Formula 1 car from the 2022 season. Here's how you can enter to win this amazing piece of automotive memorabilia, and it's super easy and totally free. Firstly, if you're not already subscribed to Drive Time Escapes, click on the like button and click subscribe. Then head over to drivetimeescapes.com and grab yourself a free ticket. That's 1 ticket per subscriber with your chance to win. Remember, it's 1 entry per subscriber and it's completely free to enter. This is our way of thanking you for enjoying our amazing content and the amazing support you give this channel. Don't miss out on your chance to win this piece of Formula 1 history signed by Sebastian Vettel himself. So what are you waiting for? Grab a free ticket and good luck. Thank you for being part of the Drive Time Escapes community. Let's keep this adventure rolling. See you in the next video and may the best fan win.
So this is how we end up. Shades of blue and grey. I feel just like an empty bottle.